Okay guys, got a 2014 Toyota Tundra here. It's got the broken tailgate handle on it. Very common with these trucks because they're made out of plastic. But real simple. Hop on Amazon, get you one of these things. Run you about $15. But this video is going to show you how to replace that thing real quick and easy. Okay, first thing we're going to have to do, since the handle is broken and we can't open the tailgate, is inside the tailgate there's these 8 T30 torque screws that we're going to have to take off to remove this entire panel. That way we can manually open the tailgate to replace that handle from the inside. So we're going to get that done real quick. Okay, so you can definitely see what we got to do now to get this thing open. I'm going to do that right now, and then we'll see how hard it is to get that handle out of there. Okay, now that we got that handle access panel off, you can see there's two 10mm screws on both sides. Looks like these clips here are just gonna disconnect from the rod. We should be able to pull this thing right out. Okay, got the little retaining clip off of there. This is what it looks like. Once you do that, this new just slides right out. Transfers right over. Put the clip on and we'll be good to go. Alright, show you how this thing slides in from the bottom. Alrighty, just like that. Now we connect our two cables. Good as that. Put the two bolts in and we're good to go. Okay, little life lesson, guys. Before we put it all back together, I always like to test it. Before I put this back access panel on, I'm going to shut the gate a couple times, make sure everything's good, make sure the lock works, so on and so forth. Just a little life lesson. Alright, nothing left to do but screw the access panel down. These things don't take a whole lot of torque. Good as done. I call that one a win. Nothing left to do but shut the tailgate. Just like that, you're back opening and closing your tailgate.